Welcome to this Effigear tutorial. In this video, we'll show you how to disconnect your Sram Rival shifter from the Mimic Gearbox, connect it and set it up properly. You will need a set of Allen keys, a Phillips head screwdriver and pliers. You will also need tools provided by Effigear, them being the spring blocker and the tension tool. Please keep in mind that the sheath and cable lengths cannot be modified. Do not try to cut them. Take the rubber cover off the shifter. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, undo the cover screws and take the plastic cover off. Shift gear so that the cable clamp is accessible. Gently pull on spring housing to reveal a few coils. Do not pull too far, it will damage the spring. Insert the spring blocker in between two coils, then release the housing. The spring is now deactivated. Remove the cable clamp from the pulley. Using a size 1.5 Allen key, undo the M3 screw on the cable clamp. The cable can be pulled out of the shifter. The shifter is now disconnected from the gearbox. Insert the cable into the shifter's cable entry. Tighten the cable clamp to the end of the cable. Use pliers to hold the clamp and apply a torque of 0.4 Nm. Insert the cable clamp into the slot on the pulley. The M3 screw must be facing the front of the shifter. During this section, you will adjust cable tension to make sure the shifter is properly set up. With the spring deactivated, pull on the left cable output on the spring side of the gearbox. Insert the tension tool onto the shaft. You can now activate the spring. Make sure that the cable wraps properly around the pulley. Shift from 8th to 9th gear. The red part of the tension tool should move out. The goal is to align the red and black surfaces. If the red surface comes out short, you need to reduce cable tension by rotating the cable tensioner. If the red surface comes out too far, you need to increase cable tension by rotating the cable tensioner. Repeat these operations until the red and black surfaces are aligned. Once the shifter is correctly set up, put the shifter cover back on. Deactivate the spring again. Remove the tension tool from the gearbox. Insert the cable output back on. Use pliers to make sure that there is no air gap between the output and the cover. Reactivate the spring one last time. Your Sram Rival shifter is now set up and ready for use. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to comment on the video.